Hi, Lafayette International. This is Miss Mula Shanahan, and I am inviting you to be part of this year's Fashion and Performance Runway video. Do you like to take cute pictures of yourself in fancy clothes? Then this is the project for you. Maybe you are a TikTok star. We are looking for any selfies, any videos of you dancing, any videos of you performing, singing songs. And if you have them, please send them in Schoology through your message icon to Miola Shanahan. There I am. Subject, fashion video. And you can add the link to your YouTube video, or you can upload your images or your TikTok videos and send them my way. We are looking forward to putting together a great video. We want all of you, 9th graders, 10th graders, 11th graders, and seniors. Please send me your pictures, your videos. Work on this over spring break, folks. It would be super fun. Look forward to seeing you on the runway.